Hello, this is an unpacking video for manufacturer number 308551894 by Browning. This is the Bravo Twill Flex Fit Gray Cap, sizes large and extra large. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the package here with you so you can get a better look. This is an adult cap with a gray heather twill fabric panel with eyelets. It's got a button top and classic flex fit band. It says black label here on the front. And again, this is the Bravo Twill Flex Fit Gray Cap. It's large and extra large, and this is by Browning.